Second floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
I took a trip into town this autumn to go and see what is possibly the biggest piece of artwork I've ever been commissioned to make. My friend James was doing architecture on an office building renovation in Shad Thames in London. The building had a big blank wall in its courtyard that was looking for some artwork, and because it was being renovated to market to the tech sector, James thought of me and my endless drawings of busy robots and complicated machines, and love of drawing pipes and wires going everywhere, and thought I would be a good contributor to the project. The architects had found through their research that the building used to be a printing press in its past, so I combined that with a bunch of robots in my first go at designing a mural for the wall. The building owners liked it enough to commission me to develop the project, which was fantastic. The building was to be renamed Goat Yard, after another historical find about the plot. So as I developed the artwork, I was gradually asked to make it more about the goats. My ambitions got bigger, but the client's appetite for it got smaller, so the original wall I was asked to do eventually became much more subtle. It was still pretty silly. I was happy I got to keep the goat eating the cable for the gate release button. Even though this mural got pared back, I was given a longer leash with other parts of the project. The courtyard was also home to an electricity substation that was looking a bit sad, so I covered it in a load more pipes and wires and robots. And of course, goats. And I was surprised to see that I got away with some more silliness on these walls. I remember getting really fed up with drawing goats while I was working on this project. Goats are funny animals, but I find them really amorphous. They don't really have a distinct shape. It's not like a sheep for which you can draw a cloud with legs, or a cow in all its boxy glory. And it's not like all goats have a goatee beard, or big horns, or floppy or pointy ears. They just don't really have an abstract representation until you've completely drawn a goat. Going past the substation led the way to the newly designed bicycle storage room, where I was also asked to provide some artwork. This all turned out really nicely in here. I think the thing I like the best is the workshop pin-up calendar. I forgot I drew that. The bicycle store was also home to some of the wayfinding graphics I also got to design, and I was happy that I got to be a bit silly with those as well. The wayfinding graphics went through the rest of the building too, and also included what I think is the best part of the artwork I got to create. I made some really big, intense floor numbers full of more technology, wires and pipes, office equipment, printing presses, and of course, goats. These turned out really well, and I like some of the details I got to squeeze into them too.
Doors opening.
I'm disappointed with myself that I apparently didn't get to hide a washing machine in these graphics somewhere.
Doors closing.
I have to imagine I was asked specifically not to, but I'm not going to go and check the email threads to confirm that now.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Of course, I'm an artist, so I have a couple of things to complain about, but really, no, it is fun. The lift shafts are the best bit with numbers. I did a really good job with those, and I think I had a bit more freedom with those, which was good. But yeah, I'm really glad that I finally came to see it and to take some pictures of it for my portfolio. It proves to other people that I can do this kind of thing. Yeah.
There were a few extra graphics I designed for the project that didn't end up getting used for bureaucratic reasons beyond anyone's control, but I'm really happy with what it became anyway. And because I was so close to Borough Market when I visited, I stopped by for lunch afterwards, and I thought I'd better eat my words. Or pictures. Thank you for coming to take a look at this with me. And thank you for watching this video.
Hi.